Hi guys, this is Edwin from Admission Desk. Today we are going to talk about NIB and Pune. So in 3 minutes we are going to talk about everything from admission process cutoff to placement. Okay, so please be in this video for 3 minutes only. Before we move ahead, I like to request you to go through with this disclaimer. I hope you have read this. Now, what we are going to discuss in this video is college overview, connectivity, eligibility, program offer and fees, entrance, selection process, cut-off marks, placement, hostel mess, and direct admission. So, establishment is 1969. That is one of the oldest college. NIB was established in 1916 by Reserve Bank of India in consultation with the government of India. Okay, so this is a very good college if you have some interest in banking and management. ठीक है. Connectivity, so yes, this is very well connected area. Pune International Airport is around 14-15 kilometers. Railway station is around 9-10 kilometers. So yes, there is not an issue of connectivity anymore. What is the eligibility? So you should have graduation 10 plus 2 plus 3 with 50% aggregate. For reserve category, 45 will also do. Score, what they are accepting is CAT, ZAT, CMAT and GMAT along with GRE. So shortlisted candidate go through the further rounds. So you will be shortlisted through the scores and the final selection will be based on the oral communication, written ability and personal interview. तीनों टेस्ट होंगे. Got it? What are the important days? So the sale of an application form is around March 20, 2026 तक. You can fill up the form by going to the website of NIBM itself. Last date is written over here, that is March 20. Oral communication जो test and personal interview, that would be offline, that would be around April and May. The date will be announced soon after the examination. The declaration of result will be May, June. Okay, so there is no specific date, but yes, maybe in last May or starting June. Okay, commencement of classes July 26. So the first installment within 2 weeks of to the offer of admission. As soon as you will get the offer letter, you need to pay the fees within the 2 weeks. Submission of mark sheet, degree certificate, October 36. So yes, that is a date by which you have to submit all your original document to the college itself. Got it? What are the program they are offering along with the fee? Program is PGDM in banking and financial services they are offering. Okay, 2 years program, that is a flexi program. The fees is around 15.5 lakh rupees approx. What is the selection process? So first of all, you have to go for the examination like what I have mentioned over there. Then after examination, you will be shortlisted for the further process like personal interview, oral communication test. Based on your marks you have earned in the given test. Okay. After that, there will be the composite score of the weightage like 35% of the entrance, 25% academic performance means 10th, 12th, bachelor, oral communication test 10% and personal interview 25%. So this is the weightage how you will get selected over here. So now you know that what to do and what will be the area of your improvement. Okay. So let's talk about the cutoff. So if you are from general category, CAT, GMAT का 91-94 percentile is required. If you are from reserve category, yes, it is written over here. You can look into it. Okay, so this is almost cutoff. General का 80, 70 for NC OBC and all. ये सब लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Placement, if you see highest package is 24-25, but if you see the average package that is 13-15. So highest package जितना कम रहेगा तो average package उतना ही अच्छा माना जाता है. For an example, if someone is giving you the 60 lakh rupees highest package and someone is getting the package of 3 lakh rupees, you can imagine that how it is banned. Okay, but here 45-50 LPA is the package is highest and average is around 13-15. Got it? 100% placement it is offering for the PGDM batch. Or about hostel and all, so the hostel fees around 1,08,000 rupees for 1 year. meal ka 15-16,000 rupees. So that would go around 160 to 180, including mess, hostel, residence, phalana, everything. Okay. Now, if you want direct admission in NIBM Pune, you can call me on the number given on the screen. Anywhere in Pune, like NIBM, you need in NIA, you need in Symbiosis, V School, everywhere we can help you to get direct admission. So, you guys, you are clear now what NIBM is, what are the placement and all. Thank you guys. Have a good time. Goodbye. Subscribe to the channel.